Would you like to do affiliate marketing with SaaS product reviews? Don't worry, with our AI Buster tools, you can now publish thousands of SaaS review articles with just one click. This is our AI generated SaaS product. It's include pros and cons, feature overviews, image, pricing table, FAQ, videos with proper on-page optimization. Today I will show you how to you generate exactly this type of SaaS article using our AI Buster tools. In the last video, we already discussed PA automation, info automation versus automation, recipe automation. You can check the video description for the previous video. So now let's talk about our new module, which is called SaaS review automation. First, I will log into our AI Buster tools. It's quite similar to the previous one, but don't worry, I will give the quick summary. First, like before, you need to add your website where you want to publish the article. Just click the website menu. To add your website, you just have to follow the few steps. First, provide the website URL here. Then you can add a title. It can be anything you want. Just simply name to identify your website. After that, you need to enter your WordPress username. Finally, you need to enter your app password. To generate the app password, go to your website profile menu. Then scroll down. Then look for the application password section. Just input here anything. Then click that new password. You can generate the app password. Once you have generated the app password, add it in this field. After you have filled in the all required information, click the save button. This will add your website to the system and you will be all set. To publish multiple SaaS articles, choose publish bulk article in this module. For a single SaaS article, click the publish single article. The single articles option is primarily designed for who want to add a personal touch to AI generated articles. So I am currently in the bulk mode. Here first you need to provide any type of SaaS review product. Just add your product name. Like I added Jasper to Jasper AI. Okay, after that you need to select the image source. Then select the image quantity. Then video quantity if you want to add the video. Then select the language and choose the website. Then choose your article category. Next you have three options here. Publish them immediately, save them as a draft, or schedule them for a later. After set up the setting, just click the submit button. It will take about 1 to 3 minutes for each post to be published. Let's wait few minutes for published one article. I see it's already published. Looks so good. There are pros and cons. Jasper AI overview, Jasper AI future, AI pricing, FAQ, and video. Looks so good and already proper on-page optimization. Okay, that's it. You can join our official Facebook group for instant help. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will be back with another AI Buster module.